Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, November 14th, 2011. We saw a continuation of some of the chart patterns or chart moves that we saw on Friday here in the grains, as well as over in the livestock. We came in this morning, crude oil down, the dollar stronger, setting ourselves up for what was possibly going to be a weaker day across the board in the grains. Rumors floating around that China was getting ready to start buying soybeans from the U.S., supported that market overnight. We came in with the corn unchanged overnight. Beans were higher. Wheat was just a tad higher. And then when open outcry started at 9:30, we saw a pullback in all three of the grains that we watch. When it was all said and done today, we had corn down 5 cents at 633.5, still holding the bottom end of this range that we've been trading for about the last month. However, we are getting very close to breaking out to the downside. If we get a close below 630, that's not going to look very good. We got to hold this 630 area. Soybeans up 2 3/4 on the day at 11.78 1/4 at settlement. Wheat down only a penny at 6.15 3/4. All the while, crude was lower today, and the dollar stronger. Right now, dollar up 57.90 at 77.71. You got crude oil down 93 right now at 98.06. Same can be said over into the livestock. We saw a big outside day down in the fat cattle December contract, continued lower here today. Cattle settled in the pits, down 45 at 120.10. However, right now, at about 2:15 Central Time, the electronic market is back to unchanged on the December fat cattle. So keep an eye on this cattle market. We're flirting with the 100-day moving average right now. You're going to find some support there at 119.50. But our livestock analyst says we could see a little bit more downside to come in this December contract. We are bullish next year's cattle markets, next year's cattle contract, specifically the April. We're not going to get too bulled up about this December contract, only because the Packers right now are pulling back on the kills. So they're going to do what they need to do to counter the expensive cattle that they've been paying for here. And we're starting to see that happen, and they're taking the premium off the board. Basis is still very good, but we could see this board continue to fail on back a little bit here. So be very cautious if you are trying to catch this falling knife, if you will, and keep an eye on those technicals in the December cattle contract. Feeders all the while higher today, up 37.5 at 142.52.5, due largely in part to the fact that the corn was lower. Hogs today up in the December, 72.5 cents at 87.17.5. Excuse me. Yes, I'm sorry, that is December. 87.17.5. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Allendale. Phone number is 800-262-7538, or we can be visited on the web at www.allendale-inc.com. Thanks for tuning in again this week. My name is Bob Dalton. I look forward to speaking with you again soon.